What's good, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. And today it is a beautiful sunny Canadian day today on the east coast of the good old Canada. And we're back with the drift tank. So we had a bit of a storm, big old snowstorm, and then freezing rain. It's made this like layer on top of the ice, like the snow. So we're gonna try drifting the drift tank today. So let's see how she does. Once again, we're going one-handed. You can see over there it's really slippery, so we'll try it out here and then take it over there. So, oh, there we go. It's even hard to keep it controlled, honestly. It just wants to spin out. Let's do some spins, some donuts. Bring it back over here. It's digging a hole. That's hilarious. It's dug itself a hole. Let's see if I can get a little closer. See, I'm too heavy. I break through that. But that's funny. So it just kind of handles this these bumps like no problem, which is nice. Once the spring comes around, we get some mud, we'll take it trailing. Let's see how it does on the ice. It's impossible. You can't control it at all. It just does what it wants. Okay, look, I'm gonna floor it. No steering at all, watch it. It just spins out. Oh, that's great. Let's take a walk. You can see I'm breaking through, but we'll try and go around the edge so we don't break the middle piece up too bad, so we'll still have somewhere to drive. Alright, we're over the ice, so let's see. There we go. That was a nice one. Let's see if I can get some cinematic shots for you. Hopefully there's some good footage in that. I was more focused on what the car was doing, but let's take it over here. I know this isn't really drifting, which is what the point of this video was, but I can't help myself. I see a ditch, and I want to drive in it. I do not think it's going to be able to do it. I think it's going to sit and slide, and I'm going to have to go down in there, but let's try it. It's great. It's like a little skate park. Oh my god, that's awesome. Watch this. Alright, so there she is. We're going to try and crawl out of here two ways. We're going to try and go slow and crawl right up towards me. Okay, maybe a little bit to the right. Try right here. Not quite. Okay, we're going to go right here. We're going to turn around, and we're just going to floor it. Come on! Oh, so close. And he slides away. That's hilarious. I gotta take this thing to a sliding hill. Oh, so close. Okay, let's try it on some rough terrain. I don't think it'll make it, but you never know with this thing. Okay, so it seems to be stuck. Now this is a big old ditch, so I don't know if I will want to really go down in it, but it seems to be like kind of traction right there, so if I can get it to come right here, I should be able to grab it without falling down, hopefully, or in the water that's underneath. Come on. And I got it. All right. So we're going to go, there seems to be a little bit of battery life. I'm not sure how much we got, but we're going to go to that hill that we were at in the last video and see how slippery it is and see if we can get down it. Alright, so after a little bit of walking, you can actually see that our beautiful sunny day here in Canada is actually starting to turn very dark, very cold, very fast. I should have brought gloves. But we're getting close. You can see there's snowmobiles and four-wheelers have been through here. So unfortunately they've kind of messed up our nice slick ground for going down here, but you know, it's not our hill to dictate, so that's alright. Plus, we probably wouldn't even make it up if they didn't go up here. So I'm thinking we'll take it down that little bit right there and probably destroy the thing, to be honest, but we'll try it. Alright. So we're going to put it right on this little mound here. Hopefully it doesn't fall that way, which would suck. So it's right there. Yeah, we're gonna try and get down there without killing the thing. We're gonna go real slow. And there it goes. Oh, it's like a slide. And just like that, guys, we killed the battery. So I guess that's the end of the video. Honestly, I can't even complain about the battery. It came with one battery and it lasts 15 minutes, but if I wanted more time, I'd just buy more batteries. And I mean, it's cold anyway, so not bad. You can't really complain about that too much. So we're gonna take the trail back to the house, and yeah. So if you guys did go on to enjoy today's video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm going to try to reply to all your comments. So let's have a discussion. Tell me what you want to see next. Recommend me some RCs. Nothing too expensive yet. But I'm looking at getting a little mini crawler here soon from WPL. So hopefully that'll work out. And I do have another one you may have seen on my Instagram. It's a $5 little RC, and it looks like a piece of junk, but we're gonna try it out. So yeah, there's the path I just took, and have a good one, guys.